Here's our little ArmaTrac 504E with 4-wheel drive front loader, easy to lift around silage bale. Got a punchy little Perkins engine, 3-cylinder turbo, Carraro transmission. She'll lift over 2 ton on the back end. Nice radio tyres. So you've got a pickup hitch with a clevis or the hook. 2 double acting spools back there. Rear wheel weights. Fuel tank's nice and easy to get at. Let's have a look inside. So we've got a nice comfy seat for the operator. Forwards reverse shuttle. 1, 2, 3, 4 gears, and then just down there we've got low, medium and high ranges. Your spools and your pickup hitch release. Position control and draft sensitivity, and then we've also got an added electronic up and down, so you can set your depth on the position control and just press up and down to go up and down. Nice little toolbox there, a few little tools come in there. Excellent visibility. It's a beautiful day as well, isn't it, eh? Comes with radio, sun visor. Right, let's see what she sounds like. As well, so you just push it forwards and the loader goes down. On the front, float, and then third time as you press that button, you get left and right. Self-leveling on the loader. For details, you can have a nice, gentle engagement rather than some of the snatchy electronic things that you have these days. There you have it. Thank you very much.